Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be teaching you how to make hair butter at home. So I'll be using just organic products, which is my Sheabutter, and this is my Shea powder. So this is my cacao oil. All this I'll be using for this hair butter are organic products, no chemical products included here, just organic. So they are very friendly to the hair. This is tea tree oil. Now the next on the list is coconut oil. So I'll be mixing all this together to produce my hair butter. This is a very good and nice cream to use on the hair. Just purely organic, no chemical included here. So watch as I produce this, learn. You can also make this at home and save money than going to go and buy hair butter at the store. You can actually make this at home and get a larger quantity and save more money. So watch as I make this, and thank you.